How to add a class record in CATEMA. First, visit the website www.catema.com/Chaffee. That will bring you here to CATEMA's website for Chaffee College. Once you're on this website, go ahead and enter your login credentials, then click Login. Once you're in the Teacher Task menu, click Add New Classes on the top right corner. Once you're on the New Class Record webpage, enter the school class name. Next, select the class semester that the course is being taught. If it's a full year class, you would select all year. Next, you would select the class period that this is for. Verify the high school, then select the Chaffee College course name. Now the course name will be provided in the high school articulation that has been approved. Once all of the information is submitted, select Submit New Class on the bottom. You'll be provided with the following message: the add class operation was successful. The ID number is 1043 and will appear on the class list. So we're going to go back to class list to verify. You can see on the class list, this course has been created. We will notice though that it states pending for students. So now that we have a new class record submitted, Chaffee College Career Transition staff or short-term workers will go ahead and review your request, verify that there's an articulation agreement in place, and then approve the pending class. Once the class has been approved, that's when you'll be able to notify students in your class, have them create a student account, and have them register for your CATEMA class. If you have any additional questions, please email the Career Transition staff and short-term workers at act.staff@chaffee.edu.